Welcome to another recipe. In this video, we are making sticky Asian chicken. Let's begin. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add 240 grams of chicken and cook until brown. Add some salt and pepper to taste. Once it's brown, set it aside on a plate. Now let's make the sauce. In the same pan, add half a teaspoon of minced garlic, half a tablespoon ginger, and a pinch of chili flakes. Add 6 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon hoisin, 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, and half a tablespoon sweet chili sauce. Mix well. Let it simmer until the sauce thickens. Now add the fried chicken and toss them until well coated with the sauce. Serve on top of rice, garnish with sesame seeds and spring onions. Our sticky Asian chicken is ready. Enjoy! For more amazing recipes, like this video and subscribe to our channel, or you can visit us at lookandcook.com.